Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open the car. This is a Renault Megane 3 from 2013. If your car battery is dead or your key fob battery is dead. So if nothing is working, if you don't have any power from the battery, you can't open the doors like this, So what you can do, if you can see over here, we have a small button. Press this button and try to open the key. See? You take this key from the key fob. This is the key that you can use to open the car if the battery is not working or the key fob battery is not working. So what we can do, take this key and put this key over here and take the cover off. We're taking the cover off and we are going to use this key to manually open the door. We're going to close it by remote, by key fob, and we are going to open with this key. So with this key you can open the door and close the door in case the battery is not working. So if you want to close the door, just you move it up and the door is closed. If you want to open the door, move it down and the door is open. After you use this key to open or close the door and you resolve the issue with the battery, the car battery or the key fob battery, just put this cover back over here. So there is this part has to go inside over here. Let's see. Yes, and you have to hear a click. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.